Welcome to Stuff for Chevrolet. We're located at 10109 89th Ave in Fort Saskatchewan, Alberta, just outside of Edmonton, Alberta. We are looking at a 2018 Chevrolet Equinox LT all-wheel drive with nightfall gray metallic exterior with a 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine. It's got fog lights in the front, LED lighting, aluminum rims, power liftgate, tons of space, storage in the back, latches to fold the seats forward for our extra storage space. Again, the power liftgate. These are the back seat, got power windows, storage in the door, pouch in the backs of the seats, jet black cloth seating. The door folds down in the center, and the latch there to fold the seat forward as well. Power windows, locks, and mirrors on the door. Liftgate controls there. Power seat with lumbar. On the steering wheel, you have your cruise control settings as well as voice activation and hands-free. Your infotainment has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You've got your OnStar on the roof, dual zone climate, heated seats, shifter, parking brake, USB controls, and all-wheel drive button there. Thank you for watching this video of the 2018 Chevrolet Equinox LT with all-wheel drive and nightfall gray metallic. If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and like this video on YouTube. If you'd like more info, give us a call or check our website.